People ask me, is it too late to hire an attorney for my workers' comp case? Well, the bottom line is no, but let's walk through some of the options. I've had people come to me and want to hire me as their attorney on the very day the injury happens. That tends to be a little bit early. Make sure the claim gets accepted first. If it's a very straightforward injury, you probably don't need an attorney right away. If it's very minor, if it's just first aid, you're probably not going to need an attorney. It can look bad to the insurance company if the injured worker hires an attorney the very day that the injury happens. Kind of a red flag for the insurance company to say, why are they litigating so fast? But by the same token, can you hire an attorney at the very end of your case? You can do that also. But again, from the attorney's perspective, a lot of the strategic options that we would put into play are already passed. So I've had people come to me before and say, I want to hire you as my attorney. I'm negotiating a settlement. I'll say, okay, let's see. Did your treating physician find you permanent and stationary? Yes, she did. Said, okay, have you seen a QME? Yes, I already saw a QME. Like, well, what kind of specialty QME did you pick? Well, I went to an orthopedic surgeon. Well, I don't know that I would have sent you to an orthopedic surgeon, but okay, who's the doctor that you saw? Who was the QME? Well, Dr. Smith. Oh, Dr. Smith. Oh, I never would have sent you to Dr. Smith. I would have avoided him like the plague. What did Dr. Smith find? Well, Dr. Smith found, no whole person impairment, no need for future medical care, and I've completely resolved and I have no work restrictions. Like, from an attorney's perspective, what do I do with this? You've already seen your treating doctor and has said you're perfectly fine. You've already seen a QME who said you're perfectly fine. If you are perfectly fine, then that's grand. That's accurate medical reporting. But if you're not, from an attorney's perspective, now it's very late in the game to try to start fixing or remedying the problems that have occurred because you didn't have an attorney sooner. So, can you hire an attorney early on? You bet. Might be a red flag if you do it within a few days of the injury. Can you hire an attorney later on in the case? You bet. You can do that at that time. Going to be tougher for the attorney to really strategize and put into play the actions that we would do, the strategies to try to maximize the benefits that you would be entitled to. But truly, you can hire an attorney at any time in your workers' comp case. From the moment the injury happens, you've gone and seen a doctor, you can hire an attorney, all the way up until you've tried to settle with the insurance company, you've gone to an MSC, you've set the case for trial. Conceivably, you could hire an attorney, but it's going to be tough to get one. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button down below and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos.